Back at it again. I'm gonna make some chicken wings. I look all burnt because I just came from outside. But I'm gonna show you how to make chicken wings at home without having to go and buy them. So I love this roasted garlic seasoning, and of course I love red cayenne pepper. And so what I did was I pre-washed these chicken wings, and I'm gonna add salt, and I'm gonna shake them up. And of course I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt, and I'm gonna add some pepper. And give these a toss. And so what I did was, in this flour, I added some of that herbs, the garlic roasted garlic herbs, and the cayenne pepper, and a little bit of salt. And so what I do is I take the wings and I put them in here. Again, I don't have an apron, so always wash your hands when you touch raw chicken, because you know, you can get sick cross-contaminating stuff. So toss the chicken in there, and you give it a little turn here and there. I would do it with my hands, but I don't have no gloves. You know what? I'm gonna do it with my hands. I gotta dry my hands first. I have to turn on the oven because a lot of people don't know that when you fry chicken wings, in order to get that crisp taste, you have to put them in the oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and some people ask me, well, how come you're not using eggs? I ain't got no eggs. I spent my last eggs making tres leches cake. So make sure they are fully covered, as you can see, and then you toss them in the oil. Now I'm not gonna pick up that pan because I've done burnt my hands already. And I put about maybe 5 in there. So I'm gonna wait for that to fry. And again, you wash your hands every time you touch chicken, raw chicken. You always have to wash your hands. I just want to show you a quick way of making chicken wings at home, and being able to do it without having to order from, you know, your favorite chicken wing place. And you can make it at home. And of course, you already know I recycle. This is gonna go in the recycling. I'm gonna set this to the side. And I already have a plate with napkins on it. I'm gonna use Asiago cheese. I'm just gonna give these a turn. Now I'm gonna show you what it looks like. They're frying, okay? I don't have all that fancy schmancy equipment to, you know, be turning and tossing the camera around so you guys can see what's going on. So, and then I'm gonna take a small flat pan, and I'm gonna use the pan to put them in the oven. I've already set my oven at 350 degrees. And there's a trick that I use. I don't like to wash dishes. So I take aluminum foil, right? And I put it on top, and I know I'm not the only one that does this, right? You want to make sure that you fry that chicken correctly, because you don't want it to be raw on the inside. I know that I'm into fitness and I cook, you know, and I eat very healthy, but we're in quarantine, and you know, because of this stay at home and the fact that I'm not working right now, this was given to me, so I'm gonna put it to use. And you know me, I don't waste no food. They are frying beautifully. I'm gonna give that a couple more minutes, and I'm gonna put them in here, and then I'm gonna use a separate bowl after I put them in the oven for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna use this bowl, and I'm gonna put more of this seasoning in it. I'm gonna open it actually, right? And I'm also going to use some of the Asiago cheese that I did the other day. I'm gonna throw the whole thing in there. So essentially it's just gonna be the mix. And it's gonna look like that. Oops. All right. And these wings are almost ready to come out. Almost, just about. Try to make quick and easy recipes, so this way, you know, you guys can see how it's done. They're frying up beautifully. Don't mind the backdrop. I'm still conducting my classes. I need an apron because I'm gonna mess up my clothes. But people are out there worrying about stealing Jordans and stealing handbags and jewelry and liquor and other people's medicines. I'm out here wondering if I could get an apron. All right. So this is done. Look how pretty. Doesn't take much to fry chicken. You don't want to fry it like completely. You don't want to make it. You don't want to over fry it, because if you over fry it, then it's just gonna taste nasty. Let me take another one out. And you don't want to have the heat on too high, because if you do, essentially what's going to happen is you're going to burn the chicken. Okay, so let that out, and while those are done, I'm going to add the other ones. There shouldn't be any more. Okay. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these wings, as you can see, and I'm gonna put them in the mix since they're already still wet. This is my first time doing this. And you know what? I'm actually happy. Oh, they're gonna have a kick. So when you shake them around, okay, give them a good toss, right? You take them and you place them in your pan that you're gonna put in the oven, right? Oh, these look good. Put some on top. Then when you're done with the other ones, you go ahead, see? You put them in the oven for about maybe 10 minutes. Take them out. I'll show you the end results. And I'll take a picture of it, all right?